body up. Body up, big up. Hold it, now.
You know it's full of clean, man. Skin clean, you thick, you know. Oh, fire side.
I'm there with my friend. Yeah.
Thick, you know.
What go on? There, dog. Yo, that's cool. Where you go?
Work, man, you know, thing, man. Get the work up at the place.
I wish you that game work. A big fool boy this. Man, go man. I can't get work and you come like some big nerd here. But all the girls get big fool boy. You can't get work. All you idiot. I understand? No, the man shit. When I eat that. Yo, mama! Yo! A big fool guy has to do it.
Don't hang your hat where you can't reach it. Show off, bring disgrace easy. Better than though in a long story. Studio voice, we could teach them this. We could teach them this. Don't hang your hat where you can't reach it. We could teach them this. Well, if you can't buy ox tail, wall a chicken back steak. Nobody no better than gas pain. But my youth want hold it. No let go. Hear me, I tell you, hold it. No let go. Hold on.
Yeah, baby. Man, this man so good, man. Me for you again.
You know, see me, man.
I walk like that, man. I see nothing, I'm blind. What do you mean? I'm for you again, I'm alive.
Now your one friend.
My friend? My friend, that one idiot, man, but my friend. I'm me for have you. John, no. Son. All the boy there, you see, lucky. Big fool boy there, you see.
Man, I look good name. Every goods have expired date. One thing lead to another thing, next thing. Man, I tell you, fi bust bumper face. Me no play them game, them me X back straight. Me remove mountain with less than faith. Me no frightened for food, make the restaurant wait. Porridge better than cornflakes anyway. Can't buy ox tail, wall a chicken back steak. Nobody no better than gas pain. But my youth want hold it. No let go. Hear me, I tell you, hold it. No let go. Well, nah, you have to have militants. Where the hell a go and man a borrow pants and a pose in a that like him a do a ads. Where the fuck them a study and no come an entrance. And no see set that I must another exam. We run the world vehicle pedestrian dog. Easy yourself, don't be a waste man dog. Easy like Sunday the day long. If you can't buy ox tail, wall a chicken back steak. Nobody no better than gas pain. But my youth want hold it. No let go. Hear me, I tell you, hold it. No let go. Hold on.
Not because the man buy the liquor, the man to take out. And then you buy the liquor. It don't matter about the man buy the thing, the man take out more. So they give you. How will it? How will it? Good. Yeah, man, I can't use it. Under it. A fool can. Look where him go buy with him. Tell you say a big fool boy that. Yeah, work. And you take up the money go buy under. I can't that.
Where you are?
Me have a bicycle. Yeah. A bicycle look better than that. That me I tell you. I like it. I like it. I like it. Yo, come in.
Yo, easy man. So what you do? You're not forward.
Yeah, alright man. I'm good. I watch a black and I watch a liquor. Answer man. Now buy my bicycle for fix. Go on brother. I'm to you. I'm like a fool, I'm like a idiot boy, let me say. You see I can fix some business, watch.
Man, I look good name. Every goods have expired date. One thing lead to another thing, next thing. Man, I tell you fi bust bumper face. Me no play them game, them me X back straight. Me remove mountain with less than faith. Me no frightened for food, make the restaurant wait. Porridge better than cornflakes. Well, if you can't buy ox tail, wall a chicken back steak. Nobody no better than gas pain. But my youth want hold it. No let go. Hear me, I tell you, hold it. No let go.
I tell you all this some boy. Me I tell you say if I never want thing man, if I never want thing man, I beat myself. But myself, that's how I come here. Hear me I tell you say some nerd. Have the nerves I come tell me say me bad mind. Me look bad mind to the man. Me look bad mind to the man. Him have him some pretty girl where I walk with her, so we can tell say a job make him get that, cause I make she want. I make she say. Him have some little pretty car more time I feel like punch at that. You understand what I say? Me lucky black every day. Every day, single day when we come Paritas, I'm a lucky black me day out there, I'm a sense of daddy. I'm here rub out me and I'm look side to side, and them boy they give me no respect. Oh! What you say you want again, my friend? You want fame? Or you want hits? Can we have it up here now? Come, I make you famous, come.